All right, we're gonna do front and back now. So flip back over to the other side. The other thing to think of is as you're adding in the work, alternating back and forth and not doing the full sequence all on one side will make it more possible. So one lesson you may do one leg, but then another lesson, or one exercise, so up and down, and then the second lesson you may be able to add in up and down and front and back. We're gonna do front and back today as well. Waist is up, hip is still. Inhale, exhale, you're gonna lift the leg. Inhale, stay. Now as you exhale, you're gonna press back to me. Keep that knee bent, and a good cue is to press the heel into the hand. So push into me more. Oh yes, and then bring it back forward. And again, you can cue your student to really press into the back of the heel, pull their belly in more, and bring it back. Nice job. And keeping the waist lifted the whole time. Press it back. 3. And we're going for 10. You may feel a stretch in the front of the leg when doing this one. 4. But sometimes it's so tight there that you just don't feel a stretch at all. 5. But you are trying to get the knee exactly in line with the shoulder as much as possible. 6. In the beginning, it might not start that way though. 4 more, press it back. 7. 3 more. 8. 2 more. 9. And one more set, please. 10. Do we feel some excitement? Woo, okay, yes, on your back. Left knee is gonna go over the right knee. So now we'll do knee over knee. So actually pull it all the way over. If you can, this may be too much, but if your student can, grab onto the ankles, squeeze the knees tight, and you'll feel a stretch in a little bit different place, yeah? Yeah. So with these stretches, you can stay anywhere between 30 seconds to a couple of minutes, and it'll feel nice and wonderful. All right, shall we go the other side? Okie dokie. So 90-90, feet are flexed. Go a little more forward with this shoulder again. All right, waist is up and you are sucking your abs into your spine like there's no tomorrow. Deep breath and lift the hip, or leg, sorry. Inhale. Now exhale, press it back, squeeze the glutes and hamstrings, and practice pressing back to the heel. Nice. And then bring it back forward. And again, press back. Good job. And bring it forward. And squeeze it back and reach 3. And squeeze it back and reach 4. Very good. You can look at your client and see, are they pulling their belly in as they go back? 5. Very excellent. Halfway there. Big breath out. And big breath in. And big breath out. And big breath in. 2 more. Press it out. And pull it in. And last one, press it out and pull it in and rest. Okay, roll onto the back. We're gonna cross the right knee, the working leg all the way over the other leg. Grab your ankles if you can. And the higher you lift your ankles and the more you stick your tail to neutral, the more delicious this stretch gets. But we don't want it to be too tasty. Breathe a little bit here. Okay, you ready? We're gonna do some work on our belly, some prone exercises. First thing we're gonna do is heel squeeze. So heel squeeze is good. It gets a little lateral rotation in the hips, and the lever is a bit shorter, so it won't be so difficult at first. Hands are gonna go under the forehead. Shoulders are wide. You're gonna bend the knees, flex the feet, and I think let your knees go down to the ground. Will they go down? Yeah. So shoulders down. Suck those abs in. So it's the same thing. Abdominal hamstring force couple. Press the heels together and now squeeze and lift. And as you lift the legs, you're going to lift the belly at the same time. And then you're going to lower down. Good. How's that? Let's go again. Squeeze the heels, lift the thighs, and pull the belly in at the same time. So you're getting the whole posterior complex here. 3. Good. We're going to do 10. Now, keep going. 4. You can notice your students' shoulders. Make sure they're sliding down the back. 5. Oh, there we go. And 6. Nice. 7. 8. Let's do 2 more. 9. One more time. 10. Nice. Are we surviving? Okay, go back to child's pose first, and let's do palms up. We'll stretch our arms out, stretch our hips out a little bit. Now we're going to lengthen the lever out. Once you start to do this, this creates more challenge. Go ahead, lie down. You're going to bring your legs all the way together. And I think, yeah, this is fine. See how this goes. Shoulders down. Same thing. Abs are in and legs are together. You're going to reach out and lift up one leg. So lift up the right leg. As you're here, stay for a second, Shannon. You want your belly up and you're trying to keep this knee straight. So don't let the knee bend and then you'll feel more in the hamstring. Yeah, don't do that. You want to keep it long and then lower down. So now that your knee is straight, go ahead, pick up the left leg. Good. Another thing that happens is people start to push down with their right leg and pike up. Show that? Yes. You don't want to do that. You want to keep the hip down as well. Good. Lower down. So they'll pick up one leg, but then they'll pike up in the other leg using their psoas to try and lift them up, or their hip flexor, rectus femoris. Good. Right leg and down, and now left leg and down. Shannon would never do that, but someone else might. And again, right leg reaches out and lift. Yes. And you can see creases right here at our hip socket. And left. This is 3. We're doing 10 because they're fun. Right leg goes up, shoulders down, abs are in, and down. Left leg goes up. Good. This is 4. Right leg goes up and down. Left leg goes up. And 5. Ooh, she caught herself. Did you feel that? Right leg goes up. She's getting tired. And in no reason. Left leg up. And she has to feel, especially on the right side, that she pushes down because her right hip likes to pike. That's its favorite pattern. Right hip goes up. Very good. So as she lifts the left, she has to think really hard about keeping that right hip down. Beautiful. 4 more. That was great. Right leg up and down. Left leg up. Yes. And down. 3 more. Right leg up and down. Left leg up. Good. 2 more. And you might have to feel like you reach the leg out and up and down. Left leg out and up. Yes. 1 more, please. Right leg out and up. Keep those abs in and shoulders down. Left leg out and up. Good. Rest. Go back in a child's pose. Such a small move, but isn't it a fabulous workout? You would think it couldn't be that miserable. But 10 of those and you're good. But not us. We have to do more. All right. Now we're going to try both legs at the same time. Woohoo! All right. I would scoot back a tiny bit. There we go. Hands at the forehead. Abs are up and in. Shoulders are down. Legs are squeezing tight together. Breathe in. And now reach out. Exhale. Lift the legs. Straight knees. Both cheeks squeezing. And then we lower down. Excellent. And again, exhale. Reach out and lift the legs at the same time. Pull the abs in and lower down. And this is 3. Reach out and lift, and lower down. And 4, out and lift. And if you're getting this part, when you reach the legs out and suck the abs in, make sure the shoulders pull down as well. 5, and out and lift, and 6, and out and lift, and 7, out and lift, and 8, out and lift, and 9, out and lift, rest, shift back. Excellent. All right, so doing these every day will help you with your hip pain, but it'll also get you set up for your Pilates tush that all of the Pilates practitioners are so well known for.